The principle of indeterminacy does not apply to life insurance. In the parlance of finance investment, the term bear means investor who feels that price of a particular security is about to fall. In context of Indian news in recent time, what is MSCX XCS? It is a stock exchange. The word actually is related to insurance. What is irrelevant? SAPS. With which trade area world bull and bear market is written? Share market. CRISIL is a evaluation of position of credit of company. What is black money? It is illegal income on which income tax has not been paid. सिंगापुर का है सबका सही है SGX होगा. यूके का FTSE सही है. सिंगापुर का SGX है. जापान का निकाई सही है. USA का NASDAQ है. The main reason for low growth in India in spite of high rate of saving and capital formation is high capital to output ratio. How many companies are involved in BCS Greenex? These companies are currently. The promoter of National Stock Exchange is State Bank of India, IDBI, LIC and GIC. Capital market means from a stock market. Correctly matched Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex. True for Bombay Stock Market, oldest stock market in India, also known as Dalal Street. Stock index is called Sensex. Inside trading is related to from a stock market. Which is credit rating agency in India? CRISIL. What is Nikkei? It is Tokyo fraction price index on Tokyo Stock Exchange. Trusted security means shares that have constantly rise high rate of profit. In which year Bombay Stock Exchange was formed? It was formed in 1875, but the starting function in 1882. When was Rangarajan Committee appointed by Government of India for capital disinvestment of share? 1993. To prevent recurrence of scams in Indian capital market, the Government of India has assigned regulatory powers to SEBI. In India, which of the following is regulated by Forward Market Commission? Commodities future trading. Why does a gilt-based market means market of government securities? Who does the work of collecting capital formation data in India? RBI and SBI. Private sector mutual funds were allowed to work in India in 1993. The cooperative movement in India was first started by Agriculture Credit. RBI helped fund India foreign trade by Exim Bank. In India, which of the following have the highest share in disbursement of credit to agriculture and allied activities? Commercial banks. In India, National Housing Bank was established as a wholly owned subsidiary by the following? RBI. Which one of the following Indian bank is not a nationalized bank? Federal Bank. Which one of the following 4 foreign banks operating in India high number of branches? Standard Chartered Bank. पंजाब नेशनल बैंक काबुल पुखरा 2004 में.